welcome to another recipe on Realize Guyana, my friends. Love having you here. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button right now. Click the notification bell also so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Today we're going to be doing a Sijan with Eddo and shrimp curry. Remember Sijan? They also call that drumsticks, right? And that tastes really good in a curry. So for this recipe we're going to be using some core shrimp, eddoes, the Sijan, some scallions, garlic, pepper, onions, curry powder, roasted ground geera, and garam masala, and salt to taste, of course. So that's about it. The ingredients will be listed in the description box below, as with all our videos. So we're gonna work on our eddoes first. That's gonna take the longest to peel and cut up and Guyana core shrimp. So you gotta learn how to clean the Sijan now. As I'm pretty sure you never cooked this, right? So in Guyana this is known as Sijan. In foreign they call this drumsticks. So that's the way you peel them. Similar to how you will devein the same. So we are making our paste as usual here with the curry powder, roasted ground geera, garam masala, and the garlic and pepper that we've grounded. Okay guys, so we have everything ready. We're gonna begin to cook our curry now. So that's only our onions in there. You can add everything together if you like. When I say everything, I mean the curry paste and the onions together. So you're gonna cook this for the usual about 2 minutes. So just remember to turn your curry paste in there before it burns, okay? Cause there's any liquid in there. So it'll be easy to burn. So we're gonna add our eddoes and the Sijan at the same time now. And we're gonna bunjay this. We're gonna add our shrimp now. Salt to taste. And that's smelling so good, guys. I think smell-o-vision is coming out soon. So this has released its juices and it's evaporating now. So once it does, we're gonna add some water. Okay guys, so this is right on here now. There's no more juices in there, so we're gonna add our water now. Pour the scallion. There you go, you're gonna give that a mix. Get all the masala and those stuff from the bottom there. And just let that cook. I'm gonna cover that now. We'll be back. Okay guys, so it's been a few minutes and we're gonna check on our curry now. Oh la la, that's looking good. Just a little bit more. We'll be done with this. Okay guys, so we added a bit of water here just now because the gravy was a bit too thick. And as you know, once it cools it's going to get even thicker. The eddoes and everything is boiled. And the Sijan is splitting. That's a sign that it's done. It's cooked. Okay guys, so that's it for our Eddo and Sijan with shrimp curry. Looking delicious. I was gonna have some lasagna and baked chicken for dinner, but I've changed my mind. This is looking too good. I'm gonna have this instead, guys. This is looking delish. So if you like this video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to click the bell icon also so you get notifications from us whenever we post a new video. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.